Hi everyone, and welcome you to class once again. And like I promised the last class, today I'm going to be teaching us chords. But before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Not only that, click on the notification bell so as for you to get notification whenever we post any video. Chord is the combination of three or more notes. But for this class, we are going to be based on three notes, chords that combine three notes, and those chords are referred to as triad. So let's dive straight into the class. For those of you who watched our previous videos, you should now understand how diatonic scale works, and that is what we're going to be using to derive our chords on key C, still on key C. But today I'm going to be mentioning three kinds of chords. We have many of them, but we are going to be using three in this class, which are the major, the minor, and the diminished. Major, minor, and diminished. Okay, let's go. I'll just teach you how you can get major chords, how you can get the minor chords, and how you can get diminished chords, as in the physical appearance of those chords. If you see a diminished chord, you should be able to recognize it, that this is a diminished chord. And I'm going to show you how it is on the diatonic scale. Okay, so this is do. This is our do. Let me just play that to refresh our memory. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. These are just single notes, but you can combine other two notes with these single notes to make them more harmonious. Okay, if you have something like this, you see that it's more full, it's more melodious, it's more harmonious than playing it in one note. So that is what we call chord. So let me teach you how you are going to get that. For you to get chord, let's just start from do. Then we have mi as the second in line of the do chord. Then so, but that second in line actually falls on the third note. So you play the first note, you play the third note, and you play the fifth note, meaning you are leaving one note in the middle. You pick do, which is going to be your root, then you pick the third, then you pick the fifth notes. Those are the keys that give you the do chord. Then if you pick the re as well, count re as one, then you go to the third of re, then you go to the fifth of the re. And when you pick mi, then you count one, two, three, the third, then you also add the fifth, 4, 5. Then fa, then you count the third of it, then the fifth of it. Then you do it for the rest of the chords. So which of these chords are major, which of these chords are minor, which of these chords are diminished? I'll see explain better on that in subsequent classes, but for this class I will just make it as basic as possible. So for you to know which one is major and which one is minor, this is how to get it. You know, I said if you pick a note, you count 2, 3, then 4, 5 to give you the chord. But now I want to teach you another counting for you to differentiate between major and minor and diminish. So for major chords, what you have in between both the white and the black keys, what you have in between the first space is 1, 2, 3, 3 notes. And for the second space, you have 1, 2, 2 notes. That is a major chord. But for minor chords, okay, let me still stay here. But for minor chords, you are going to have 1, 2. Then you have 1, 2, 3 on the second space. So let's try that. 1, 2. Then we have 1, 2, 3. So for this now, this is C major. This is our do, yes, and it's also key C. So this chord now is referred to as C major. C major. So you have 3 here and you have 2 here. But when you have something like this, it is referred to as C minor. You have 2 here and you have 3 here. You have 2 here, then you have 3 here. That's C minor. But let's assume you have 1, 2, then you have 1, 2. That is diminish. That is diminish. So now let's check out which one is major and which one is minor using our diatonic chords. Now we said this is do, mi so, that's do. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, which means this is a major chord, C major. This 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, which means this is a minor chord. So that is D minor, which means the real chord for key C is D minor. Then we have mi. Let's count again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That means this is also a minor chord. So that is E minor. Then we have Fa. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So which means that is a major chord. F major, which means our Fa for key C is going to be F major. Then we have this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, which makes it a major chord. So that is G major, which means our sub chord for key C is G major. Then we have this La. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That is a minor chord, which means A minor is what we have for La on key C as our chord. Okay, then T, we have 1, 2, then we have 1, 2, which means this is a diminished chord. 2, 2, that's a diminished chord. So B diminished is the chord for T on key C. Then we have Do, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that is how to recognize your major, minor, and diminish chords. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Not only that, click on the notification bell so as for you to get notifications whenever we post any video. Stay safe, stay blessed. See you in the next class. In the next class, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use the chords. Stay tuned.